Hi my busy bumblebees, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Today we're gonna learn how to trace your hand and then color inside the picture. And then, after we're done, we're going to open a Kinder Egg. I can't wait! For this activity, you will need to get paint, water, construction paper, paintbrush, marker and pencil, and it's okay if you don't have paint, you can use crayons or markers as well. Let's see what colors we're gonna use. Red, orange, blue, purple, green, and yellow. Take your left hand, lay it flat on the table and open your fingers. Try not to move them. With the pencil, trace each finger of your hand. If you need help, ask your parents. Now let's do the right hand. Once you're done tracing, take the marker. I use the thicker side to trace because it's easier to color inside the picture when I use the paint. Let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 fingers. Let's close the marker, put it down on the table, and push until you hear a click. Let's take out your paintbrush. If it's skinny, you can build up your paintbrush by using a tissue. Now that it's thicker, it's easier to hold. I'm going to use my skinny brush and have 2 fingers on the paintbrush. First color we're going to use is red and color the pinky. Don't forget to wash your brush in between each color. Next color is orange. Wash your brush. Let's use blue next. We're going to paint the middle finger. Wash your brush again. Next color is yellow. Let's color the index finger. Wash your brush. Let's use purple and color your thumb. For your thumb, use green. For the rest of the fingers on your right hand, I want you to match the colors of the fingers on the left hand. How about the middle finger? It's blue. The ring finger was orange. What color should I make the pinky? It's red. Let's review the colors. Red, orange, blue, yellow, purple, green, yellow, blue, orange, red. Let's review the names of the fingers. Pinky, ring, middle, index, thumb. That's your left hand. Thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky. This is your right hand. Now that we're finished, it's time to open the egg. It's a silly piggy. I hope you had fun painting with me. See you next time. Send me your pictures. Bye.